Hello, Hello YouTube, my name is Matthew, and I was gonna make a skateboard edit today, but it rained, so instead I'm gonna be making an edit of the rain, which should be cool. I know Cruiseman Productions made one of these, but you know, I was bored and it was raining. Anyways, if you enjoy this video, please be sure to hit that red button over there, or I'll have, or up there, there will be an annotation right there. Also hit the like button right there, down somewhere over there. It looks like this. Also leave a comment. Thank you.
Under the bridge where we first kissed, I knew things would never be the same. I chased your tail through the halls of your apartment just to tell me what your heart needs. Baby, what's your name? And if I should never hear you sing, and if I should never hear you call, I'll chase your dream into the springtime, but please don't watch me as I